Hello guys, welcome to my next YouTube tutorial of database management system. So in our previous video we discussed about group by and having clause, and I told you that in the next video I'm going to discuss about the aggregate functions. So let's start with the aggregate functions. So let me tell you what aggregate functions are. The first type of request can be expressed in basic relationship algebra is to specify mathematical aggregate functions on collection of module from database. Common functions applied to collection of numeric values include sum, average, minimum, maximum, and etc. And these values or these functions can be used in select clause or in having clause. So as you all know, I used two aggregate functions, that is average and count star, in group by and having clause. So let's start with opening our software for database management system, that is MySQL 5.5 command line client. So after giving the root password, I have entered the database. Now I'm going to use a database which I created, that is company one, which I created in our first video. So you can see here the database has changed. So let's start with the queries. So today I'm going to tell you 5 queries for aggregate functions. So first of all is select count star from employee, that is select count star from employee. So this means that it will give the number of rows which are present inside your employee. So as you all know that we give 5 values, so there must be 5 rows in that particular table. So I got the count star, that is 5. So count star is our aggregate function. So here our next query, I'm going to use select sum of salary, and next I'm going to use the average of salary. Now next I'm going to use the maximum of salary, and next I'm going to use is count star, that is it will give the count star from employee. So you can see after pressing enter I got the output, the sum of total salary of all 5 salaries of all 5 employees, and this is the average, and this is the maximum of salary, and the count star is 5 because I have inserted 5 values. So here we are done with the 2 queries. Now let's go to the third query. So here it is select count. So here I'm going to use distinct salary. So here I'm going to use distinct salary from employee. So the distinct salary I'll get, so let me tell you how I got 4. Select star from employee. So you can see here the distinct salary means the different one, not the repeated one. So you can see here 15,200 has been repeated 2 times. So it is giving 4 because 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has not counted the repeated salary. So that's why I'm getting the distinct salary as 4. So let's go to our next query. So we are done with our 3 queries. So let's go to the next query. So here I'm going to use select count salary from employee where salary is less than 20,000. So where the salary is less than 20,000, I'll get the output. You can see here 3. So I got the count 3 because 15,200, 15,200 are the salaries which are less than 20,000. So I got the count here. So let's go to the last query, that is select minimum salary from employee. So I'll get the minimum salary from the employee table. You can see I got 15,000. That is the minimum salary of this I got here. So this was all about your aggregate functions. So in our next video, I'm going to tell you all about our next topic, that is the SQL operators and all like between and in. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further updates.